Yeah.
Styles,
Derek.
what'd you see at the mechanics garage?
Several alarming EPA violations that I'm seriously considering reporting. Holy God.
Let's try that again.
All right, the thing was pretty slick looking. Skin was dark, kind of patterned. I think I actually saw scales. Is that enough? Okay, because I have somebody I really need to talk to. All right, fine. Eyes. Eyes are yellowish and slitted. Has a lot of teeth. Oh, and it's got a tail, too. Are we good? What? Wait, have you seen it? You this look on your faces like you know exactly what I'm talking about.
Run!
Sterek, your neck. Come on.
What is that? You see it? No, he's hurt. Call Scott. Yeah. Kyle, son of a... Where'd it go? Did you see it? No. Okay, maybe he took off. Maybe not.